So today I'm going to show you how to grow sweet corn from seeds. So I have a few varieties of corn seeds or corn kernels that I have soaked overnight because that helps in the germination process. And here I have this raised bed in which there's very good soil. It has a lot of compost and a lot of half composted leaves. So I'm going to just directly sow these seeds in this raised bed. So I'm going to just make holes, probably, about 8 to 10 inches apart, because these seeds are pretty big, so they can go as deep as 2 inches. So I'll just make holes all around, and now I'm just going to take these seeds and drop one seed per hole. So as you know that the corn plants are really tall, and the way they pollinate is that the pollens are at the top of the plant and the kernels are on the stem. So the pollens have to fall on the ears and then fertilize the kernels. So if you plant them in a clump, then the chances of pollination are better. So I'm just going to cover it up. And corn is a heavy feeder, so it requires very good soil, good drainage, a lot of sun. So you want to plant this in early summer so that you get the whole summer for the corn to grow. And they require a lot of water because of all the kernels, and they grow so tall, so they require water every day in summer. So this raised bed gets a lot of sun, and we'll see how they grow. It's been exactly 1 week, and a few seeds have started to germinate. Now it's been 2 weeks, and as you can see, many of the seeds have germinated. And now I've done mulching here with dry leaves because, as I said, that it requires a lot of water and it is in full sun. If there is no mulching, then I'll have to water it both in morning and the evening. So mulching helps in retaining the soil moisture. It's been 1 month now, and look at these plants. They are like 3 to 4 feet tall, and look at these stems. They're so strong and healthy. 7 weeks, and look at these plants. They are like 6 to 7 feet tall. So this is one thing about corn. They grow really, really fast. And look at this. From each plant, many stems are coming, and they are so thick and strong. Plants are really, really healthy. As you can see now, the plants have started to develop the tassels on the top, which contain the pollens. And as the ears start to develop, the pollens will reach the silk portion of the ear, and the kernels will fertilize. So our plants are now about 10 feet tall, and the ears have started to develop. You can see it. And because they are so tall, and yesterday there was a storm, so all these plants were kind of flattened down, so we had to tie them up and use the stakes to support them. But in any case, so they are doing fine now. It's been about 10 weeks, and I have a feeling that in about 2 to 3 weeks they'll be ready. For best results, keep fertilizing your plants every 4 weeks with nitrogen and phosphorus rich liquid fertilizer. So every plant has a few stalks coming up, and each stalk has at least one ear developing. For example, this one has this, and then here, and this one has this one. There are more growing here. Some of them are really fat, like this one is really fat. This one is thin. So I want to pick one of these and see, if they have any kernels or not. So let's try this one. Ooh, we had different types of corn. So look at this. This is like pearl corn, you know, different shades. Very nice. It could grow a little bit more. Maybe I picked it up a little early because I'm like really excited. But this is good. Look at the kernels, they are all packed. So very nice. So in 3 months, our corn crop is ready. Now we have to just wait and find some ears which are really big and pick them and roast them and enjoy them. So I'm really happy that, from seeds to this crop, and it doesn't take much once you have the plants growing, they don't require any effort. So the process is straightforward. You prepare your soil. It should be rich, a lot of compost, and you soak your seeds overnight, and then you sow them directly in your beds. And once they start to grow, then you should mulch it because they require a lot of water. And if you don't mulch it, you'll have to water it twice in a day, and make sure that you grow them, you plant them in early summer so that they get the whole summer time to grow, because corn crop likes a lot of hot weather. So you have to water it a lot, and the plants should get a lot of sun. But then they just start to produce these beautiful corns. And of course, every 4 weeks, add some nitrogen and phosphorus rich fertilizer. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.